How to delete recipients on Remitly. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can basically delete recipients on Remitly, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete recipients on Remitly, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Remitly application here. Once you launch the Remitly app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where what you need to do is just tap on this option known as recipients, and then you'll be able to see your profile here. Once you see your profile, just make sure to tap on it and then just basically tap the edit option from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the edit option from the top right, scroll down here, you'll find the option called delete. Tap on delete and then this recipient will get successfully deleted. This way you'll be able to basically delete your recipients on Remitly. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.